Most people get this wrong. They assume all stock trading platforms are the same. But the surprising truth is that Drive Wealth offers unique advantages for both beginner and international investors. Today, they'll give you an honest review based on my usage experience. Drive Wealth is a US-based brokerage that allows fractional investing, meaning you can buy small portions of expensive stocks like Amazon or Tesla without paying the full share price. You won't believe what happens next. It also supports global accounts, so investors from over 100 countries can access U.S. stocks at and ADRs, which is rare in the trading world. The platform integrates with apps like TradeStation, Stake, and other white label partners, so you get flexibility in choosing how you trade. Fees are low, there's no minimum account balance, and commissions are minimal, making it beginner-friendly. However, there are some limitations. Drive Wealth itself doesn't offer advanced trading tools or research. It's mostly focused on execution. If you're looking for technical analysis charts or complex order types, you'll need to use it through a partner platform. Also, customer support can be slower compared to larger brokerages. The surprising truth is that for anyone wanting to invest small amounts or access U.S. markets from abroad, Drive Wealth is an excellent, cost-effective choice. It's simple, reliable, and especially great for fractional investing. In conclusion, Drive Wealth is ideal for beginners, international investors, and anyone looking to buy fractional shares in U.S. stocks without heavy fees. It's not designed for active traders needing advanced tools, but for most casual investors, it hits the mark. Subscribe for more honest brokerage reviews to help you make smarter investing decisions.